Hello everyone, this is Varun. Today I am going to explain about the efficient and robots axis method for point and rectangle, the R tree and R star tree. Here are the connects. There is a key points, problems and challenges, related work, proposed approach, contribution, validation method, and the conclusion. Now I am going to explain about the key concepts. In the key concepts, the main heading is RT, dynamic structures requiring optimization during data instructions. Key algorithms choose subtrees and the split for the optimal retrieval performance. Analysis of the split algorithms, explanation and a linear cost. Split algorithms divides a set of m plus 1 enter into two groups efficiently, utilizes peak speed and the distribution enter for the optimal distribution. Performance comparison with the linear R tree variant showing results. Now now we check here alternative split algorithms focusing on split axis determination and challenging in finding right axis for the optimal split insulation. And here is the R star tree and the optimization. Henside split method based on the goodness value for the improved splits. Algorithmic approach split determination and the distribution. And the R tree structures explains the tree-like structures of the R tree with nodes, bounding box and the entrance. And now I am going to explain about the problems and challenges. The problem discussed in the paper is the design implementation of an efficient and the robots axis method for the points and rectangles. It specifically focuses on the R-tree data structure. The others address the challenges of the optimizing the R-tree's performance by minimizing the area covered by the direction rectangularly overlap between the director rectangle mapping of the directory rectangles and the maximizing storage utilization. And here the problem and challenges. They also explore the trades offers between different split algorithms such as and the purpose the art star tree as an improved various of the R tree which use more geometrical optimization for the better performance. Exploration of the designing and optimization of the split algorithms objective improve efficiency and robustness of assist method of spatial data structures like the R tree. And now I am going to explain about the related work. And here is the related work of the importance development of the R star tree is high significant and relevant in their field of axis method. Partial application of the efficient axis methods for the points and rectangle are in various domains such as geographical information system, environment database and data management. The result of the paper showcasing the superior performance of the R star tree over exciting R tree in diverse experiment highlights that particle improvement of optimizing spatial data structure for the efficiency. Cylinder work and improvements. Real world application. The R star tree's ability to efficiently support both points and data simulations makes it highly attractive for the applicants requires data handling capability. The implementation cost of the R star tree being only slightly higher than other R tree variants. It partially flexible for real world development. The papers founding demonstrating improved performance in various types of optimization like map overlay have direct implement for the geographic and environment database system. Here are the reality work and importance real world applications. Geographic information system R tree and R star tree can be used to index and the query large spectrum data sets in a GIS geographical information system. Applications such as mapping and navigate system, computer aiding designing CAD. The R tree and R star tree can be used to index and query 2D and 3D geographic data in CAD. Imagine and video progressing R tree and R star tree can be used to index and query image and video database on the static relationship such as object detecting and the tagging. Reality work importance. The problem addressed in the research paper introduced novel concepting by the proposing the R star tree as an advanced virtual that optimized area margin and overlap of the enclosing rectangles in the directory. The researching focus on the developing a new R tree that outperforming exciting various under various experiments signifies that novelty and the involvement in tackling the challenges of the spectacle data organization and the retail well. Now I am going to explain about the purpose approach. The proposed approach is optimization creator. The paper focused on optimizing the area margin and the overlap of the enclosing rectangle in the director of the R star tree is re- retailable efficiency. The standardizing test bed. The research utilized and the standardized test bed that allows for the running executive experiment with the highly varied data queries and the optimization to evaluate the performance of the R star tree. Engineering approach. The approach takes in the paper involves and the engineering presentive to find the best combination of the optimization criteria for the special access method. Now I'm going to explain the contribution of the presentation. Here's a contribution of the presentation. Comparison of the R-tree variants. The paper discussing the R-tree data structure and its variants such as the performance of their virtual with a better result in the various sections. Here is the split algorithm. The paper explores that the split algorithm with find the area with the global minimum width has high CPU cost. It also discussed that try to find approachment to the reduce the CPU cost. R3 star. The paper proposed the R star tree as an improved variant of the R tree which use more geographic optimization critical for the better relevant performance. The R star tree introduced as a new algorithm for choosing the subtrees and a new split method to improve the relevant performance. And now I am going to explain of the validation methods. Standardized test bed, a framework for the running large volume of experiments with the highly varying data queries and the optimization. Now the experiment with the different distribution overlap variable numbers of the data enters and the different combination of the capital M and the small m. Analyze of the parameters insert and the store for the building up difference R3 variation. Performance comparison. The performance of the R3 and RT and other R3 variant is compared using a standard test base. The performance of the R3 variant is measured in the team and the average number of disk access per query and the store utilization after complement building up the files. And the result of the performance comparison shows that the R3 clearly outperforms that R3 variants in an all experiment and the most popular variant the linear R3 performance worse than all other R3. The maximum performance gain of the R3 compared to the linear R3 is above 400%. Now the validation method. The experiment analyze the performance compares using the standardized test base shows that the R star tree clearly outperforms exiting R3 variants such as the linear and R3 are greens. And now I am going to explain about the conclusion of this presentation. The summary of the conclusion. Recap the key points discussing the presentation. Briefly meant the performance comparison that the experiment could not in the paper shows that the R3 variant outperformance in the linear variant significant domestic between the reveal performance across the various distribution overlaps scenarios and the contribution permanent M capital M and small m. The experimental analysis validates the efficiency of the R star team showcasing its improve the relevant performance particularly in the scenarios with small query rectangular and non-uniformly distribute data. I hope all of you enjoy the presentation. Thank you. Thank you guys.